Hi, welcome to Richard Tabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off Start Picture-in-Picture automatically on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the General. Then in the General, find the Picture-in-Picture, then click. Then after that, in the Picture-in-Picture, find the Start PIP automatically, and as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it. Then all you have to do is just click it to enable until it becomes green. When the Start PIP automatically is enabled, when you swipe up to go home or use other apps, videos and FaceTime calls will automatically continue in Picture-in-Picture. And if you want to disable, just click again the switch button. And that's it, we have successfully turned on and off Start Picture-in-Picture automatically on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!